Today we will see how the accounting of any account in purchase or sales or expense works. We will see demo about dealer account. Create new account with name dealer 123, by which we will be in purchase bill directly. We will add 2 purchase bills. In this first bill we are adding some demo entries of total worth of amount 1060. Again, adding new purchase entry for same dealer account, select the dealer name and click on Create. We added this purchase ledger of 1020 amount in total. Now if you paid the dealer some amount, then you have to add debit payment entry like this. Select the account name, enter the amount and click on Add to save the entry. In Reporting section, expand Accounting and Balance section. Click on Select All Accounts or Purchase Accounts. You will see the dealer account after clicking on Create Report window. As you see next to dealer 123, total purchase of 2080, and debit amount of 1000 that we just added, so total net balance of positive 1080 shows, we have to pay this amount to that account. Consider now you have paid that dealer account more amount than which is required, for example 2000 as debit entry. Then in reporting it's showing negative 920 amount. Negative net balance shows that particular account have to pay that amount to you, make the net balance 0 or nil. Now let if dealer 123 paid you 920 amount, then add the credit entry of that account in payment section. As you see in reports, the net balance shows 0, which means the account is nil now. No money is required to get paid or to pay to that particular account. This is simple dealer accounting example. This software can also manage the complex billing and accounting. Consider the situation if there is expense related to same account. There are many situations where we have to pay the expense to an account for their services or goods. Like dealer 123 also offered some maintenance or repair for his products which he sold us, you can add any kind of expense entry to any purchase or sales account. It's very easy to manage the accounting, like if you add expense entry like rent to owner of office space, and that owner buys something from you, then you can also add sales entry with the same account, and in accounting it will automatically calculate total net balance with we or you have to give. As you see in report, we have just added expense entry of 500, but initially the net balance was 0, so current net balance it's showing 500. It means we have to give the 500 amount to that dealer account. It's fully adaptable software with very easy interface. Even if your dealer purchases something from your shop and that then just create sales entry with the account, software will automatically consider all the data entries for calculating net balance. We have added total sales entry of 300, now we will see how net balance is changed in accounting. As last time we see, dealer account had net balance of positive 500 that we have to pay them, but after sales entry of 300 to the dealer it reduces the net balance to positive 200, that means now just 200 amount we have to pay to the dealer. It's very easy, this software will automatically manages your all entries to calculate net balance of accounts. So it's best easy accounting software that anyone can easily learn and use. Now we are adding debit entry of 200, that means we have paid 200 to dealer account, then the net balance becomes 0 again. Thanks for watching the video, have a nice day.